Hi everyone, I am Bruno from the Sample WP, and in today's video I will teaching you how to install Kadence Theme. This is one of the best and fastest themes for WordPress. I will install the free version and you're gonna see that free version is so complete with a lot of templates and it will help you to start your websites. So let's go. So we are at the home page from WordPress that you already know, and the installation will be simple. You pass the clipboard in the appearance and click on them. Click in Add New. Search them will write in Kadence. Install. It's fast. Activate. This message will be appear. Thanks for choosing the Kadence. Install Kadence Start Interpreters. Installing and already done. These templates with the SEO Pro, I will fixing the link to buy a Pro version in the comments. You can buy in our site. But have a lot of free versions that I already speak to you, and is two systems, Gutenberg and Elementor. If you are a beginner, Elementor is easy to start. Okay, I will select here. I chose this one. This one is simple. Uh, Here you can change the colors of the layout, but one click, one click. This is good. You can change this after if you prefer. The font you can change to just clicks. Just clicks, guys. Is so easy. This them require plugins, né? Fluent Forms and Elementor. You click in full site, will be fast to install that plugins, about 3 or 4 minutes in the maximum. This page you will click skip and start importing. Don't need to cadastre the email now. So after the installation of plugins, we will be see a preview of the site here. It's a preview, but we click in finish so can see the website. So the website will be this layout: about, blog, contact, always configuration. You click and branch. So the website will be this disappear. Edit with Elementor. It's easy for edit. Just to pass the clipboard above the windows, will you can edit. Click and edit here. And update. And it is in every window from the website. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like it, just click like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.